Morning.
I've told Zoe to start the vlog.
So today we have to take Mark's jumper back to Urban Outfitters because the silly lady didn't take the tag off. Quite an inconvenience for us to walk back to that shop.
But it's an excuse to go to Urban Outfitters again, Ellie.
Yeah, but they should give us a discount because we had to go all the way back.
Yeah, we'll get to go to Broadway.
Yeah, but they should give us a discount.
And we can stop Casey Neistat.
And put my retail head on. So, and then after that we are gonna go do some more shopping because Mark's turned into a shopper in Manhattan.
But we have to apologise for the vlog yesterday because Zoe was meant to finish it off and she didn't.
Mark was very poorly yesterday. The cold got to him and he was in bed with a temperature. But this morning he sounds a bit chesty. How are you feeling?
I don't know what chesty means.
You sound a bit chesty. Heavy on the chest. And then tonight we're doing Empire State Building. So we're going to take the passes out.
But
and my hair's been crap the whole holiday because we never brought any hair stuff. So it's just flat as a pancake and fly away. Hi.
She never says anything else. I'm just crossing 33rd or 34th. And you know this? 33rd. You know why. This pigeon, he tells you. See, what he's flown away, you're not allowed to cross anymore.
Fucking crazy! There's no chance of you being saved in this city.
Heading to the highline. Zoe's wrapped up. Heading to the highline. We've already missed the street, but it's straight down 30th where we live. Just go straight west and you end up at the highline. What do you think of the highline?
Very grey. I think they could have induced a bit of colour for when visitors are visiting at winter and autumn.
True, it is a bit dead. Everything's a bit dead. Yeah, the bins are probably the most colour you're going to get. I have a very deep voice because Zoe took me into a candle shop. And now I can't speak normally. What do you have to say for yourself?
I didn't know it was a candle shop.